Hiccups. Making my belly button move like a bass. David. Poor baby. If we got the hiccups and we hiccuped that often, that would drive me nuts. Hiccup. 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 But she's so small. That's probably not very often for her. Whoa. I think hiccups are starting to drive her crazy. She gets all fussy. Whoa. Oh, my hiccups are over here. And she's getting all fussy. She's only 29 weeks and she moves around this much. I can only imagine when I'm like 37 weeks. That poor fussy girl. I try not to poke at her when she's got the hiccups because she's already frustrated enough. Jeez. Remember one of those tremors that I get? She's all like seizing out and all that. First time I've ever got that on video. Yay. Her hiccups moved from here all the way over here. Right here. I've got a fussy baby. Mommy loves her little fussy butt. Whoa. Whoa, man. Hey, this is the most movement I've ever got on recording, ever. move again. Hiccups are over by my belly button again. It's gotta be your tummy, because when you've got the hiccups, it's your tummy and your chest that does that weird movement. So that's gotta be like where her torso's at. I just hiccuped myself. Stop sharing. Are you done? Still hiccuping, but you're not moving. This is like 6 minutes long, so boop, I'm done. Whoa. Okay. One last movement for the video. No.